Hi guys, I'm Madara and today we will create amazing vision boards, so something what will set our intention for 2019 and will help us to reach our goals. And today we will do it together with my friend Madara. So meet guys, Madara. Hopefully you will enjoy this video as well, and it will be fun for you to watch and also create something for you. And if you already have a vision board, do comment below what is your intention for this year, what is your theme, or what are the things that you want to accomplish. My one for this year is more things I want to improve in my everyday, and I also have a couple of things going on which I will tell you just in a second. Started with burning sage and just setting our environment how we want, and then we started to write down our themes. So our vision and purpose and goals for our physical body, same for the mental and well-being, emotions and mind, about relationships, and also business and financial goals. Then next we went to Pinterest to research all those themes and just find exactly what we want in those following areas of our life, and it was fun. After we found our perfect vision, our images, we printed them out and started to cut just to organize them nicely on our vision boards. We used just regular cork boards which we decorated before with some paint. Here you can see how we organized them just as well, again in themes, and then we, well, of course, wrote our checks for this year to each other. So just some fun tradition what we do. Just gratitude, Bank of the Universe is the one who issues this check, but basically it's our financial goal for this year, what we will work to achieve. And ta-da! This is the final result. As you can see, all organized, and to be honest, I missed some of the pieces and I will add them to my planner because, well, there was just too much of the things what I wanted. so yeah, my this year theme is self-love, doing things with intention and with love, spending more time with people I love, and just collecting experiences. So as you can see here, traveling, going to nice places, as well changing lives and helping others. Everything is possible, right? So another goals, and spending more time, quality time with my family, with my daughter and my husband, with my friends, and of course some financial goals, and as well business goals. And here is my self-love, self-care, and just like motivation and inspiration side of the board. And yeah, so this is how it looks, and I hope you enjoyed this video. What was your favorite part in all today and just creating the vision board?
Well, my favorite part of all of this was first of all, spending time with you. I thought we had so much fun creating this, and like my good friend Guna said, hopefully this is going to help for someone else too. You just have some ideas. Yeah, well, my board is, I would say, pretty basic. There's not much on it. It looks kind of busy, but it's not that much on it. It's all achievable. This is just my sort of year goal. We'll see how it goes.
And it is really important to have, like, that was one of my mistakes in my previous vision boards, because I was like, oh yeah, I'll travel the world, and then I put like hundreds of destinations, and then I put like, oh, I will do this and that, and actually, well, to be honest, we all have only 24 hours a day and 365 days in a year, so it was not possible just physically to travel all those destinations. Especially, I I have family and dog, and with the dog it's always much harder because you need to find somebody who is taking care of him, or we need to figure out how we can travel with him. So it wouldn't even be possible to do all those destinations what I had in previous board, and so you need to be realistic. You need to have something what actually yes, of course, dream big, and of course everything is possible, right? But still you need to see what is your lifestyle, what actually you are willing to do, and what can you work for. So that's super important. So yeah, we are super excited because we have all the goals and all the things what actually is really achievable. And what do you think was like the hardest thing to think about or to do creating this board?
The hardest thing, well, I would say this one. Well, this is a big thing for me, for sure. I'm still thinking about it. I think I will push myself this year and I'll just go for it. So I think that was the biggest thing. That's why I put it right in the middle. So we'll see how it goes.
Create experiences, because I think that's what's the most important, because the other things you can always achieve, you can always earn more money, you can always do those things, but you can't turn the time back, and if it's kind of gone, it's gone. But if you are spending time with your amazing and loved ones, then you will have your memories. It looks pretty great and it's really inspiring. It's really inspiring for us, and I think just looking to them every single day will just make our goals to come true much faster, much better, and we will just be inspired every day to work for them. Thank you so much for watching. It was fun, it was really nice, and especially if you have some friends to do it together with you, it will really inspire you more, you will have more ideas, and I hope your vision board will be as fun and inspiring as ours. This is our result, so here you go. Hopefully it helps you and you learned something, or you got some ideas how you want to make your ones. It is super important to have something physical to look every day, to not forget your goals, and to actually work really hard to reach them. So yeah, thank you so much. If you like this video, like, and of course subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.